we're going to go over how you'd replace the headlight. This headlight is right here. This is the low beam and high beam all in one. So squeeze the tabs together. And just pull the connector off. Alright. Then next, you're going to want to just spin this counterclockwise. Remove it like that. And then this light bulb will just pop out. This is a light bulb. Try best not to touch this because that will, especially with your fingers, I mean, you've got gloves, it's okay, but you still don't really want to touch it to the best of your ability because it will shorten the life of your light bulb. So you would just go ahead and get a new replacement bulb. This happens to be a HB5 or 9007. And that's the light bulb that you would get for this. And like I said, this is a low beam and high beam all in one. And so forth. So you got your new one, same way with this little tab mark on the top, and it's got these little lining up indicators to push it in. So then you just put it back in that hole and then just push it back in there. Then take your holding collar here. It's got little tabs there. You just line it up there and then just turn it until it snaps into place. And then just take your connector here and then just reconnect. And that's how you would replace your light bulb. High beam, low beam, and a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.